Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by enabling the adapter and gathering credentials. First, make sure your Wi-Fi adapter is on in Device Manager or a physical switch. Windows won't see networks otherwise. Once done, confirm the SSID and password and verify you have admin or user account access. Now open Quick Settings, click the network/Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar or press Win+A so you can view available networks and begin the connection process immediately, avoiding extra setup steps that waste time. You'll now pick the correct SSID and initiate the link. From Quick Settings, expand Wi-Fi, scan the visible SSID list, and click the network name you want. Click Connect and enter the network password. Make sure to toggle Show Password to confirm characters if needed, since one wrong character blocks access. After Windows authenticates, choose Private for home or trusted networks or Public for unknown networks, because that sets firewall and discovery rules for security and sharing behavior. Finish by confirming connectivity and adjusting settings. Open a browser or run ping 8 to verify internet access. If speeds are slow, reposition your device closer to the router or restart the router. Make sure Windows Update and the Wi-Fi driver are current. Update drivers via Device Manager if needed. If the connection fails, run Settings System, troubleshoot other troubleshooters, and use Network Adapter Troubleshooter. This often fixes common DHCP.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.